Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA, and today we'll be discussing about one of our courses, that is Blue Prism Developer Training. In this video, we will cover introduction, scope of RPA in India, Blue Prism developer salary in India, Blue Prism developer job profile, Blue Prism developer course content, duration and fee structure of the course, and how to enroll. What is RPA? Robotic Process Automation is a software platform that can be programmed to execute business tasks via software robot or a digital worker that can execute initiate system-based tasks like a human being. Blue Prism is an RPA tool which allows organizations to deploy virtual workforce powered by software robots. This helps enterprise to automate business operations in an agile and cost-effective manner. The tool is based on .NET programming language and offers a visual designer with drag and drop functionalities. Blue Prism does not require any prior programming knowledge as it is developed its digital workforce in a way that it can be built and managed by even normal users. Scope of RPA in India. The scope of RPA is infinite and huge. In fact, it is anticipated that the RPA will be the future of IT automation. If someone wants to build his or her career in this particular field, then it will automatically grow their career use. The field of RP is one of the prospects, and it could include innovative level of decision making and job implications. Most of the RP tools such as Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere are already being used in businesses. The candidate who wants to build a career in the field of RPA can learn any of these tools to implement RPA in future. Now, guys, two things. First of all, this term digital workforce is actually invented by Blue Prism. Blue Prism was the first to use this term digital workforce. Second, Blue Prism is mostly implemented in large financial service organizations and MNCs. The reason for this is that only MNCs can afford the license cost of Blue Prism. So that is why if you learn Blue Prism, then you are most likely to end up in a multinational company with a very high salary. Now, according to Glassdoor, the average salary of RP developer in India is around 9.65 lakhs per annum. When we talk about average salary guys, we are talking about somebody with a 4 or 5 years of experience who will get around this kind of salary. Now the maximum salary limits here is about 15 lakhs per annum. And the very beginning salary that a RPA fresher or a Blue Prism fresher will get is around 5 lakh rupees. The notable difference in salaries can be due to several factors, such as the experience of an RP developer, the location where a developer is placed, and the company that a developer is working with. So there are a lot of smaller companies also who deploy RP developers for projects. So obviously their salary will be a bit lesser. But in our experience, this is the range. Minimum salary of 5 lakhs for freshers, which is actually higher than what normal software developer fresher gets, which is around 3.5 or 4 lakhs. Now let's look at what Blue Prism developers do. There are certain responsibilities that Blue Prism developer has to perform. These include designing, developing, and implementing software-based robots in such a way that they work together with human workers to make business process more efficient. An RP developer is required to interact with people belonging to different teams and departments and come to terms with the challenges that they face in performing their duties. The objective is to streamline the process by automating those challenging tasks. The RP developer also works directly with business users to create effective automation solutions for them. This interaction between the two is to develop an understanding of repetitive processes that the business users want RP developers to automate. For this, the developer may ask the user to provide service level agreements as well. The role is all about finding answers for the questions that surround the automation of a process or task. You need to understand the process in question, check whether the automation is the right solution, and then design and develop the automated state of the process. Okay, so this is the course content of our Blue Prism developer course. It's a long content, so I'll just leave it on the screen for you to read it out. What is this course all about? Now, this course teaches you the basic and advanced concepts of Blue Prism software development. This course teaches you on how you can become expert in Blue Prism automation tool and learn to automate and manage business processes and create virtual workforce agent for businesses. This course covers both basic and advanced concepts. Obviously, this course is aimed at freshers and experienced .NET, Java, or any other software developer. Now, if you don't have experience, also that's perfectly fine. But it helps if you have some kind of software development training. Now, this course is designed in such a way that after completion of the course, you will be able to get a job in RP field as a Blue Prism developer with a starting salary of 5 lakh per annum. And this starting salary is applicable only to freshers. Freshers means somebody who has absolutely no prior work experience. If you have any kind of prior work experience in development, then you are not considered a fresher. And you will at least get 40 to 50% hike on your current CTC. Now let's come to course duration and fee structure. And this is a 40-hour in-depth course that teaches you everything you need to know about Blue Prism software development. And this is a practical course, guys. And once you learn this course, you can learn this course in about 1 month, including resume and interview preparation. The fees for this course is 18,000 rupees for Indian students or $300 for international students. Obviously, guys, we have online instructor-led training. It doesn't matter where in India you are. You can do these classes online. We have placement assistance and we have flexible timings. Now, a lot of our students, they are working professionals and they are working side by side. So that is why we have flexible timing. You can schedule the course as per, early mornings or late evenings as it may suit you. And all the lessons are instructor-led. It's not like you are just watching some video and learning something. No, I am personally teaching this course. And this is like, whatever we teach in the classroom is recorded and that recording is sent to you after the class. So if you want to enroll for this course, call us on 900-480-9189 or write to us at info@schoolofarp.co.in. Keep watching our YouTube channel. We also have courses on other RPA tools like UiPath, Win Automation, WorkFusion, and a functional course on RPA Business Analyst Training. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye and have a good day.